this is my faucet for the downstairs bathroom that I was remodeling, and we're going to replace it today. Here I'm shutting off the hot and cold water lines to the faucet. I had a little bit of trouble because it was a little stiff. So I am checking to make sure the water is cut off. So now I am taking my pliers and I am disconnecting the water lines so that can free up the faucet so I can take it completely out. I had trouble with that. Someone screwed this on really tight, but eventually I got them off. When doing this, you do want to get like a bucket or a trash can or something just so it could catch some of the leaking water because it will drip. So now I am going to disconnect the lifting rod for the drain plug. It is removed, completely loose. I ran into some trouble. So whoever put this in did not do it correctly. The piping does not have another like connector where I can unscrew the pipe to take out the drain plug. They just glued it all together, and of course I am not a plumber and I couldn't get it. I went ahead and continued to replace the faucet. So here is the faucet after I still installed it. I love it. I'm gonna connect it all back together. I called a plumber and he completely removed the whole thing. He said it was crap, and whoever did it didn't do it right. So that was not my fault. I definitely had to call a plumber no matter what. The plumber put in the drain plug for me and I'm so excited. I'm so glad he did that for me. But yeah, guys, I'm happy and proud of myself that I was able to do it, except for the mishap I ran into with the whole drain plug. But I am happy with this faucet. It did come from Amazon and I love it.